Today I'm going to make egg roll recipe. For that, first we need to make a dough. Take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup wheat flour, required amount of salt, 1 teaspoon oil and crumble well. After crumbling, add water little by little and make a soft dough. After kneading the dough, add some more oil and grease well and rest for 15 minutes. Instead of wheat flour, you can use all-purpose flour as well. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon of oil, then add chopped onion, chopped capsicum, green capsicum, yellow capsicum and red capsicum and chopped cabbage. All the vegetables we need to chop lengthwise. Then add a required amount of salt, sort well. You can add any of your favorite vegetables. Sort for 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetables has to be crunchy. Don't overcook the vegetables. After 3 minutes, add half teaspoon red chili powder. Sort well and switch off the flame. Then transfer to another bowl and keep it aside. Meanwhile, I prepared chapatis. Now we will start our egg process. For that, take a mixing bowl. I added 3 eggs, then chopped coriander leaves and required amount of pepper. Add required amount of salt. Whisk well. At this stage, if you like, you can add chopped onion and green chili as well. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and whisk well one more time. Now heat a pan with little oil. Add the egg mixture and spread it well. After some time, place the chapati on top of the egg and gently press it so that the egg will stick on the chapati. After some time, gently flip it over other side and cook for a minute. Our egg chapati is ready and stuffing is also ready. Now take an egg chapati and place the stuffing in the middle. Drizzle some tomato ketchup, then drizzle some mayonnaise. Now fold the chapati. After that, you can use some sandwich paper or silver foil, then cover the bottom. After covering, you can see it's easy to carry outside and we can eat. In same way, I'm going to make some more. The healthy egg roll is ready. You can have for breakfast or as evening snack. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.